In this video, we will go through the process of integrating AppNeta with DX NetOps Spectrum OneClick. First, log into the DX NetOps Spectrum OneClick admin console and click Administration in the top menu. In the left panel menu, click on VNA Configuration. In the VNA configuration page, we will provide the VNA server hostname or IP address, the VNA server port, and the login credentials for the VNA server. Below this, in the VNA integration section, click the Enable radio button. Also, if the VNA server is secured using HTTPS, in the HTTPS section, click the Enable radio button. Click the Save button and reload the VNA configuration page. A new button appears next to the Save button. Click on the Discover button. Once clicked, the Discover button triggers Spectrum to integrate with VNA and begin to pull in AppNeta data. Spectrum will now receive AppNeta inventory information, including monitored targets and monitoring points pulled from AppNeta. Next, we need to log in to the DX NetOps Spectrum OneClick web app. In the Explorer panel, locate the container named after the OneClick server and expand it. Then, locate the SDN manager and expand it. In the SDN manager, OneClick has created default domain technologies AppNeta. This is where we will find monitored targets and monitoring points pulled from AppNeta, as well as the paths formed between these points. At this point in the integration, OneClick is pulling data from AppNeta and is capable of creating alarms from that data. To that end, OneClick has created models for the paths, monitored targets, and monitoring points pulled from AppNeta inventory. However, in order to share alarms data with DX NetOps Portal, the AppNeta models must be placed in an IP domain container. This is a process similar to synchronizing OneClick inventory with the portal. To do this, we can edit the default domain container to use dynamic global collections rules to locate items where the model class attribute is equal to AppNeta network path, AppNeta web path, or AppNeta target. Now that these models are in an IP domain container, alarms data related to AppNeta paths, monitored targets, and monitoring points is now synchronized between OneClick and the portal. This completes the basic integration of AppNeta with OneClick.